Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Easy Learning. Today we are going to see a topic in Oracle, that is auto increment. Okay, before going into this auto increment, okay, actually there is no auto increment option available in Oracle, but it is available in MySQL. While creating the table, we can add the auto increment option. Okay, while creating the table itself, after that column, you can give auto increment so that the value in the column will be automatically incremented in the case of MySQL. But in the case of Oracle, we cannot do that. Why we need this auto incrementer? For example, you are going to some store, you will be getting one bill. In that there will be around 3 to 4 columns: product number, description, quantity, rate, amount, etc. The particular product number normally will be automatically generated. It will be a number of 1, 2, 3, or 101, 102, 103, like that. Okay. Normally, what is the purpose of this auto increment means? In order to save the time and improve the performance. Normally, in the real-time environment, we will be having some millions of records. Every time if we are going insert the value for the particular column, it is taking some time. Instead of that, if you auto generate it, no need of inserting the value for that particular column. So that particular product number can be incremented automatically, and performance will also be improved. Okay, that is the main reason for the auto increment field. It allows us to generate the unique number when a new record is inserted into the table. This is the primary key field that we would like to automatically create it every time the record is getting inserted. In Oracle, we can implement auto increment by creating one separate field using the sequence object, and it can be assigned as the primary key. Okay. It contains two parts actually. First, we have to create one sequence object, and then we have to create one trigger to generate the value in auto increment column. Two things we have to do. Creating sequence, I think you know already. This is very simple one. No need of explaining about the sequence object. It is one of the object like view, table, etc. First, we will try to create one sequence. I will show one example. Here, I'm going to create one sequence named prod underscore SQL. Start with 100. That means I'm going to start with the number 100. And maximum value is 999 only I have given. You can give the maximum value also. Minimum value is 1. And no cycle. That means the repetition. Okay. In cache, you have to specify 20 and no order. I'll do the magnification so that you can see that. Okay. Create sequence, prod seq, start with 100, max value, min value, minimum value, and no cycle, cache 20, and no order. Okay. I'm going to create it. Now sequence prod seq created. Okay. After that, we are going to create the what trigger. First, we will check whether the sequence has got created. Here itself, we can see that. Okay. Views, cluster, etc. Triggers. everything here, the sequence is there. Fraud sequence has got created. Okay, fraud sequence you can see here. Now next thing we are going to create the trigger. Here we are having only one trigger and we are going to create the trigger. So we are going to create the trigger. Already I have created one video for how to create the trigger, implement the trigger. You can go through that video in my channel. I will give that video link in my description so that you can go through that. Okay. It is easy only. There is no need to worry about. Directly I will create the trigger now. Okay. See, create or replace trigger and trigger name before insert. Before insert means before inserting any record into the product table. We are going to implement the that auto increment column in the product table only. Already I have created that table, product table. I will show the description. It contains two columns. One is product number. Another one is this product description. Okay. So insert on product for each row. Then we are going to use that select statement, lpad, ltrim, or trim to character prod sequence. That means we are going to use that sequence, prod underscore sequence, next value. That means the generated value. The 3 comma 0, what it means it will pad with 3 zeros. Here I think I will start with the number with the 100. I will give 10, then it will be easy for you. That is 3, 10. Because in sequence I have given only 3-digit number. 10 comma 0. That means it will pad with zeros. If I give 10 and if it is 3-digit number is getting generated means before that it will add 7 zeros. Once it generates, I will show, then you can easily understand. Now it will be somewhat confusing. Use the select statement into this product number from Boolean. Okay. Now I am going to create it. See, trigger got created. Now let me refresh this. Now the trigger got created. Okay. Now let me will see. See, already it contains some data. I will delete it. Now data got deleted. Okay. Then we will do the insertion. See here, we are going to insert only the product description. Whenever we try to insert a value in this product table, the number will be automatically generated. How means we have already created the trigger. In trigger, we have written before insert. Okay. Here we have written about before insert. That means before insert, the trigger will be fired and the number will be inserted into the product number. One row I have inserted, two row inserted, three row. So far I have inserted three row. We should see what is the number it is getting generated. See, it is getting generated 100, 101 and 102. Okay. Okay, but actually it should generate the number like this. I don't know why it is not generating that number like this. It should generate the number like this. Right. Then the sequence number is getting generated in the order only after 103, 104, 105, 106. Okay, it's working fine actually. This is the way you have to implement the auto increment column in the that Oracle. It is not like MySQL. Okay, so just go through that video. Kindly share the video and support my channel. You will see in some other video. Thanks. Bye.